Breaking news! Finally, Boeing has officially unveiled its latest fighter jet, the F-15EX Eagle, an advanced version of the iconic F-15. Designed to meet the demands of modern warfare, this aircraft combines proven reliability with cutting-edge upgrades. But what really makes the F-15EX such a game-changer? How does it redefine air combat for the United States and its allies? What sets the F-15EX apart in an era dominated by stealth fighters and drones? Let's find out! The F-15 has long been synonymous with air superiority. First introduced in the 1970s by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, this fighter was designed to dominate the skies in response to the Soviet MiG-25 threat during the Cold War. Its combination of speed, agility, and combat performance quickly made it a legend, achieving over 100 aerial victories without a single loss in dogfights, a record few aircraft can match. For decades, the F-15 has served as a cornerstone of US air power, adapting to growing missions from air-to-air combat to precision ground attacks. However, as new threats and technologies emerged, it became clear that even a legend like the F-15 would need to evolve or go out of importance. So, here comes the F-15EX Eagle. The F-15EX Eagle is more than just an upgrade. It's a transformation, a modernized version designed to carry the F-15 legacy into the future while addressing the demands of today's dynamic battlefields. At the heart of the F-15EX's capabilities is its ability to carry up to 22 air-to-air missiles or a combination of air-to-ground munitions. This makes it the most heavily armed fighter in the US Air Force's fleet. Whether enforcing no-fly zones, conducting strategic strikes, or providing air support, this immense payload capacity ensures the F-15EX is ready for any mission. The F-15EX is also equipped with the APG-82V1 Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar, a technology that provides unmatched target detection and tracking capabilities. This radar allows the aircraft to engage multiple targets simultaneously. Combined with the Eagle Passive Active Warning and Survivability System (EPAWSS), the F-15EX can detect, counter, and evade electronic threats, ensuring mission success even in contested environments. A major leap forward for the F-15EX is its digital fly-by-wire system. Unlike earlier models, this advanced control system improves maneuverability, stability, and responsiveness, even under extreme conditions. This feature is particularly valuable during the high-intensity combat scenarios, where precision handling can mean the difference between success and failure. Speaking of improvements, the F-15EX also introduces an upgraded glass cockpit featuring a large area display with intuitive touchscreen interfaces. This design provides pilots with greater situational awareness by consolidating critical information into an easy-to-navigate layout. Additionally, enhanced communication systems ensure seamless coordination with other aircraft and ground units. The F-15EX is powered by two General Electric F-110GE129 engines, providing a maximum thrust of 29,000 pounds each. These engines not only enhance speed and climb performance, but also improve fuel efficiency. Additionally, structural reinforcements extend the aircraft's service life to an estimated 20,000 flight hours, which is more than double that of earlier F-15 variants. Now, the introduction of the F-15EX Eagle goes beyond technological advancements. It represents a strategic shift in how the United States plans to maintain air dominance. While the fifth-generation fighters like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II excel in stealth and advanced electronic warfare, their payload capacity and mission endurance are limited by their design. The F-15EX fills this gap by acting as a missile truck capable of carrying a larger arsenal of weapons into combat. This allows stealth fighters to focus on penetrating enemy defenses and executing precision strikes, while the F-15EX provides overwhelming firepower and support in less contested environments. Also, the F-15EX is undoubtedly a critical asset in ensuring air superiority, especially in scenarios where adversaries deploy advanced fighter jets or surface-to-air missile systems. Its ability to engage multiple targets with precision, combined with its speed and agility, make it a formidable opponent in both offensive and defensive operations. In addition to its offensive capabilities, the F-15EX is highly effective in homeland defense missions. Its unmatched payload capacity and advanced radar systems make it ideal for intercepting threats over domestic airspace or enforcing no-fly zones. Also, its versatility allows it to operate alongside allied forces in joint operations, enhancing the overall effectiveness of coalition air campaigns. More importantly, as warfare continues to evolve and become even fiercer, the F-15EX is F-15EX's adaptability ensures its relevance. With its open mission systems architecture, the aircraft can integrate new technologies, including but not limited to advanced sensors and hypersonic weapons, as they become available. This positions the F-15EX not just as a tool for today, but as a future-ready platform capable of countering next-generation threats. Interestingly, the F-15EX Eagle's appeal isn't confined to US airspace. As a highly versatile and cost-effective fighter, it has drawn significant interest from allies around the world, each recognizing its potential to enhance its defensive and strategic capabilities. Nations that have historically relied on US air power for their defense are closely monitoring the F-15EX program. This compatibility with existing F-15 infrastructure offers a seamless upgrade path for countries already operating older variants. From training systems to maintenance networks, this continuity reduces the logistical challenges typically associated with introducing new platforms. The F-15EX provides a unique balance of legacy reliability and modern innovation. Its advanced radar, avionics, and electronic warfare systems make it a formidable option for countries seeking to modernize their air forces without committing to higher costs and operational demands of fifth-generation stealth fighters. Moreover, now that defense budgets are under increasing scrutiny, the F-15EX offers an attractive alternative. Its operational costs are lower than those of the fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, yet it delivers significant firepower and versatility. This makes it particularly appealing to nations balancing the need for advanced capabilities with financial constraints. As the US partners with allies to maintain global stability, the F-15EX provides a shared platform that enhances interoperability. Joint training, shared maintenance frameworks, and coordinated deployment strategies are all made easier with a widely adopted aircraft like the F-15EX. The F-15EX's deployment has broader implications for global security. Its presence in key regions can serve as a deterrent against aggression, reinforcing the air dominance of US allies and contributing to regional stability. For example, its advanced payload and electronic warfare capabilities make it an ideal platform for countering emerging threats in contested areas such as the Pacific and Eastern Europe. Then there is the place of longevity. The F-15EX represents a strategic long-term investment. With a projected service life of 20,000 hours, significantly longer than its predecessors, it offers durability and value unmatched in its class. Operators can expect decades of reliable service, with continual upgrades ensuring it keeps pace with evolving threats. According to Major General Duke Pirac, the acting director of the Air National Guard and former 142nd Wing Commander, said the F-15EX is the cornerstone of the nation's air power. It will be the bedrock of American air supremacy for generations to come, Pirac said. When we use this aircraft to fight and win our nation's wars, it will be supported, maintained, and flown by Oregon Air Guardsmen. Also, at the launch event, Brigadier General Alan Grunwald, the Adjutant General for the Oregon National Guard, described the importance of the new F-15EX for the state and nation. The F-15EX represents a significant leap in modernizing the 142nd Wing, enhancing our operational readiness and effectiveness to better protect our skies and communities, Grunwald said. It also provides an incredible opportunity for our airmen to train on one of the most significant fighter jets in the US arsenal, ensuring seamless integration with active duty units and fostering greater interoperability within the United States Air Force. Undoubtedly, the F-15EX Eagle isn't just a fighter jet, it's a statement. It bridges the gap between the proven reliability of fourth-generation fighters and the cutting-edge technologies of fifth-generation platforms. However, as impressive as the F-15EX is, it also raises important questions about the future of air combat. How will it evolve to address emerging threats like drone swarms or advanced missile systems? And what role will it play as global powers continue to innovate their own air fleets? We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Is the F-15EX the right investment for the future of air combat? Or are we looking at the last chapter of fourth-generation fighter dominance? Don't hesitate to let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth coverage of the latest developments in aviation and defense. And ring the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know when we publish next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.